How do you add a border to your circles in a scatter plot? In this example, I have sales and profit, and I'm showing a border around each of the circles. Let's go to a new sheet and show you how to do that. Let's start by building a simple scatter plot using sales and profit. I'm going to click Analysis and disaggregate the measures. So I have one mark for each row in my data. And I'm going to move profit to color and increase the size. I have a couple options here. I can change the shape. So I can change it to a filled circle or an open circle. But no option to have a border. Border is completely gray. I can't add one. In order to add a border, let's duplicate the profit pill by dragging profit next to profit on the row shelf. And you have two axes now. Make sure you swap between both. On the first axis, we're going to change it to a filled circle and decrease the color to maybe 25%. On the second axis, I'm going to have a shape of an open circle and color at 100%. Now if I turn this into dual axis by clicking the drop down on profit and selecting dual axis, I have circles around my scatter plot. Always make sure you synchronize your axes to make sure that both the circle and the outline are in the correct place. Synchronize that, fit entire view, and I have a border around my marks in a scatter plot. Hope this helps.